course I'm angry. We got 21 million people that came into our country, invading our communities, invading our cities and our towns, and destroying our country. I'm angry about Venezuelan gangs taking over Aurora, Colorado. And I'm angry about illegal Haitian migrants taking over Springfield, Ohio. You see that mess, don't you? And the Colorado governor is petrified, he's scared, he doesn't know what to do. The Venezuelans are attacking my state, he said. The Venezuelans have big AK-47 Supremes. This is Supreme. Where the hell do they get these guns?
My boy Kodak need a microphone real quick. And the Spanish real name? Oh, shit. I ain't gonna lie, that shit crazy, woman. That shit true. That shit. Man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm a motherfucking, I'm a Trump supporter, bro. Ain't no secret. That's besides that point and shit, man. That's besides that. But that shit crazy, man. I'm Haitian, man. How y'all feeling about this election shit? I feel like we fucked anyway. We fucked. I ain't with that Kamala Harris shit either. I ain't with that shit neither, man. But it's like, bro, what the fuck going on in America, homie? I need to go. I'm finna go to Springfield tomorrow, homie. I'm going over there. I gotta see this shit. I gotta see this shit, bro, cause it's like, I ain't smelling that, homie. I ain't smelling that. Other than that, I say vote for Trump. I say that. But, me, homie, I don't give a fuck, right? Cause it's like, homie, where the evidence at? I ain't see man Haitian eat a cat. I ain't see no Haitian eat no cat, homie. When y'all show me a Haitian eating a cat, then y'all can say that shit, homie. Then y'all can say that. Out of that, homie, I love God, I love Yahweh. Don't even praise me, praise him, praise the Creator.